Hey guys, it's Linda from Linda Has a Travel Blog, and I'm like kind of dumbfounded because I wasn't not expecting this. It's very loud, it's very cool, and there's a ton of tourists here. It's like almost a tourist trap, but I don't know for sure. It is some sort of like walking thing where you take pictures with really cool geishas, I guess, and muscle guys in, I guess, I don't know what you call that, but anyway, so I'm just gonna go check this out real quick. Let's walk around. Okay. Oh my God, this is crazy. All right. Let's go. I don't think you get to gong that thing. This is insanity. Okay.
Oh, that's a leash on.
Oh wow, samurai.
Well, thank you. Is on a phone. I'm just looking at them, they're nice. There's some one-piece stuff down there.
Smells amazing. Smells amazing. Flip-flops, lots and lots of flip-flops. Oh my goodness. Trinkets.
She was like, no.
I'm confused. This is too much. Oh wow, that's a really cute purse. Here.
Right here. Maca ice cream.
Is this the ice cream, like the green tea ice cream that you could get? Weird. Oh, what in the world? Is that a pickle ice cream?
そこで止まってくって。
I should do that. I'm gonna do some money exchange. This is very confusing. Like, people are eating pickles off of a stick. I don't know if it's frozen or not. And like some, I don't even know what this is. I think you actually do have to have yen to be able to buy this stuff. I don't think they take credit cards. It doesn't look like it.
Anthony, you forgot your coin.
Are you waiting to exchange money?
No.
Okay.
So to eat here.
Oh, what is this?
It's a cucumber dipped in salt.
Oh, is it frozen?
No.
No, but one for two people.
Oh, okay,
it's a lot
nice.
of pickle.
Okay.
A lot of cucumber.
Very cool. It's probably pretty healthy.
Andrew,
Well, you have to get rid of the pickle.
you would have to finish it?
You have to finish it, or Michelle has a bag.
I don't think I can finish
I feel like I need to have a beer with it or something.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Yeah.
And then after
Okay.
you serve, you have to eat it over here.
Ah, oh, I see. Okay. All right. So how do you do this? Money exchange. English. Can I put the money? Can I put my money in here? Yeah. Oh God! I only have. Let me try $1 first before I put 100 in, or this is gonna get bad. I'm scared. Okay. See what we get for $1. Okay. So wait. So how do I get the money? Okay. Oh wow, okay. So if I put 100 in, am I gonna get a bunch of coins and we're gonna get some dollars here, like yen? Should I do it? $100 worth? I've got 100.
I got 20.
Okay, let's do a 20. This is neat. I don't know how much the exchange rate is, how much I'm... Let's see. Okay. $20. Let's see how much we get. 2,690 yen. Is that a good deal? I don't know if that's a good deal or not. I feel like I need to look that up. I don't know where that goes. Ooh. Wait. Where's the rest? Oh, here we go. God darn it. Okay. All right, we're rich. Okay, this is what we got, and this. I feel like I need to do an exchange rate on my phone just to see how much I got screwed. I don't know. All right, let's see. Currency conversion. Okay, how much was that? I got 2,000. It's $18, so it's like $2 worth. How much was it? I can't read it. I'm too old. $13.41. Oh, that's only $9. That's not right. Wait a minute. Let's see, 2,000, what? 690. All right, so basically $1.25, 27 or whatever is what I paid. Yeah. Okay, that's not too bad, right? Okay. Hey, can you put this? I don't want to lose the change. Okay, I'm rich. Let's see what we can buy. Oops. Okay. This is giving me an anxiety attack. It really is. Like, okay. I really want a green tea ice cream, but not like this. This seems like a bad idea. That looks really good though. Okay. Okay. I guess I'm not aggressive enough.
Really not.
Well,
I can't believe it.
well, what do you want me to do? Start smashing people? Godzilla.
Push, smash.
I don't know. I just kind of feel like I'm in somebody else's home, and so I don't want to actually push and smash and be a complete asshole. Okay.
Push, smash.
Okay. Push, smash. Okay. Oh my God. Let's go that way. Maybe it's less crazy. Wait, what is this? Matcha. It's like a spaghetti matcha. That's really weird. What's going on? I just want to get away from all these people. It's giving me a massive panic attack. This is panicky. Ah, finally. It's not so insane. Huh? Everything's strawberry. That's kind of cool. So how much is 200? So for one of those mochis, a matcha mochi, 200. Oh, it's $1.20. Yeah, that's nothing. Do you want one? Or no? Let's get one later. I think I'm panicking like bad. Oh, shoot. Wait a minute. Sushi. Finally.